Assalamu alaikum students. Today our book is 7 New Countdown second edition and our exercise is 3. Question number is 12. Find the decimal values of the following fraction. We have to find the decimal values, the values in which there is a point, the answers in which they have a point. So let's start it over today's lecture. Exercise is 3 and question number is 12. Find the decimal values of the following. Its part number 1 is 4 into 1 by 6. Now we have to solve it. 4 into 1 by 6. We have to, now that there is a mixed fraction, so we have to change them. 6 fours are 24 plus 1 25. So it's changed into 25 by 6. Now we have to divide them. 25 with 6. 6 fours are 24. The remainder answer is 1.0. 6 ones are 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Point here also we can place here a 0. 6, 6 are 36. 37, 38, 39, 40. The remainder is 4. And this answer goes on. Now move towards its part number 2, which is 5 into 5 by 18. Now we can multiply 5 with 18 and add 5 in answer. So our answer is 95 by 18. 95 comes in a bracket and 18 out of the bracket. 18 5s are 90. The remainder is 5. We can place here a point. So here comes a 0. And 18 2s are 36. If we can subtract them, the answer is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and place here a 0. If 18 2s are 36, so 18 4s are, it's 18 3s are, it's 54. So again 18 2s are 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 4 is remainder and this answer goes on. Now next is part number 3. 6 into 16 by 33. If we can multiply these values and add answer in this, so our answer is 214 by 33. Now we can have to divide them. 214 with 33. 33 6 are 198. So 160. We can place here a point. So here comes a 0. 33 4s are 132. The remainder is 28. Here a point, so we can place here a 0. 33 8s are 264. The remainder is 16. We can place here a point and this answer goes on. Now next its part number 4 and its part number 4 is 10 into 7 by 75. Again 10 into 7 into 75 is a mixed fraction. We have to change it. So it's changed into 757 divided by 75. Now we can divide them. 75 10s are 75. 750, sorry. The remainder is 7. We can place here a 0 point, so we can place here a 2 zeros. 75 9s are 645. The remainder is 55. We can place here a 0 because we can place here a point. Now the next is 75 7s are 525. This can further solve, but this is enough answer. Now it's part number 5, which is 13 into 9 by 37. These both value multiplied and add in this, so our answer is 490 by 37. Now we have to divide it, 490 with 37. 37 ones are 37. The remainder is 12. We can place here a 0, which comes from answer. Now 37 3s are 111. The remainder is 9. We can place here a 0 because we can place here a point. 37 2s are 74, and the remainder is 16. We can place here a 0 because we can place here a point. And 37 4s are 148. This answer goes on. Now move towards its part number 6, which is 1 into 41 into 185. So if we can change it, the answer is 185 is added in 41, so the answer is 226 by 185. 226 with 185. 185 ones are 185. Next is 41 is remainder. We can place here a point. Here comes a 0. 185 2s are 370. 40. Okay. 185 2s are 370. Now again is 30, and this answer goes on. Now the last parts, it's part number 8, 9 and 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to solve them with your own help because these are easy and just like the past parts. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.